If you want to move data to or from the secure folder on a Motorola Moto G56, then first of all we need to open our secure folder. Let's unlock it. First we're gonna add data. So if you want to move a file to the secure folder, we need to press this plus button in the bottom right corner, and then we have add files. Now here we're gonna choose the files app, and you should be able to choose whatever you want to transfer to the secure folder. So let's say we're gonna go and choose this app or this screenshot over here. We can choose to copy the file or just move it completely without copying it. So I'm gonna move actually, and there we go, files have been moved. So I can go to the files app and I should be able to find it here. If you want to move out of the secure folder, then we can tap on these three lines in the top right corner, go to manage files, and then here we have transfer from secure folder. And once again we can choose whichever file we want to move out of the secure folder, because here we can see everything that we have in the secure folder. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and once again we can choose to copy or move, and then just confirm your choice. As you can see here, we can also add files to the secure folder as well. So this is the same thing as this one over here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.